Welcome to our podcast. Today we are diving into the world of programmatic advertising. In simple terms, if you have ever wondered how those ads magically appears online in the right place, let's get started. I am your host Sneha Shetty from Inspyr Maleshwaran. So what exactly is programmatic advertising? Think of it like this. It's like having a really smart robot that helps advertisers and websites show ads to the right people at the right time. Instead of people doing all the work, computers and data take care of it automatically. Here how it works. Advertisers wants to reach certain groups of people, right? They use special software to tell the internet who they're looking for and how much they're willing to pay for it. Then when you visit a website, the software quickly decides which ad to show you based on things like your interests and what you're doing online. Imagine you're shopping for a new pair of shoes and suddenly shoe ads started popping up on every website you visit. That's programmatic advertising using data to show you ads that might interest you. Now, some people might worry that programmatic advertising is little too noisy. They might think it's weird that ads seems to know so much about them. But it's not really spying, it's just using data to show you ads that might actually be helpful to you. The cool thing about programmatic advertising is how fast it is. When you click on a web page, a ton of information about you and the web page gets sent to the advertising robot in just a split second. Then it decides which ad to show you right then and there. So, why should we care about programmatic advertising? Well, for advertisers, it's like having a magic wand that helps them reach the right people without spending too much money. And for websites, it's a way to make some cash by selling ad space to the highest bidder. And that's the lowdown on programmatic advertising. It's like having a digital ad assistant that does all the work behind the scenes. So, next time you see those ads following you around online, just remember it's all part of programmatic advertising magic. Thanks for tuning.